I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and software so you avoid roadblocks. Confirm a GPU with 8+ GB of RAM, install correct drivers and matching CUDA/CU DNN. Next, set up Python 3. 10+, create a virtual environment and pin packages in a requirements. TXT file to reproduce results. Then decide model family, diffusion, GAN, or transformer, because that choice shapes training data format and inference code. Once done, obtain model weights or an API key, and prepare a small test dataset to validate the pipeline immediately. You proceed to data and training, where attention to detail matters. Preprocess images by resizing, normalizing, and augmenting. Keep aspect ratios consistent so conditioning works. Configure training hyperparameters, batch size, learning rate schedule, and optimizer such as AtomW, and enable mixed precision to speed up training when the GPU supports it. While training, log loss, FID, and visual samples, and automate periodic checkpoints so you can resume. If fine-tuning, freeze backbone layers first and then unfreeze gradually to stabilize learning and preserve features. You wrap up by preparing inference and deployment. Export the trained model to ONCs or Torch script and apply quantization or pruning to lower latency and memory. Then build a minimal API. Fast API works well, containerize with Docker, and add request batching for throughput. Test end-to-end with varied prompts and seeds to confirm determinism where required. If outputs are poor, inspect preprocessing, seed management, and potential memory leaks. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Reproduce a failing sample locally before changing model weights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.